Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in VLC Media Player. Whether you want to repeatedly watch a favorite clip, practice a scene, or just enjoy a video on repeat, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your VLC Media Player and load the video you want to loop. You can either drag the file directly into VLC or go to Media Open File and select your clip. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, click on View in the top menu and select Advanced Controls. You'll notice 4 extra buttons appear above the regular playback controls. The third button here is your loop from point option. Play your video, pause it at the starting point where you want the loop to begin, and click the third button again. This sets up your loop for the section you want. To make the loop even more tailored, you can adjust the playback speed. Simply go to playback speed and choose to make your loop faster or slower depending on your preference. A quick tip, using the advanced controls carefully will let you loop exactly the portion you want without affecting the rest of your video. Once you've completed these steps, just hit play, and your selected video segment will loop automatically. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to loop videos in VLC Media Player easily and enjoy your favorite clips exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it.